teacher. I hope you really like my exam. The career that I'm going to be talking about is industrial design engineer. Right now, I am not 100% sure that this is what I want to study, but it is definitely one of my main and favorite options. I really like it. I wanted to start by explaining what is an industrial design engineer. It is a professional that designs every kind of industrial products. They could be tangible or intangible. Some examples of tangible products to get a better idea are furniture, cell phones, computers, all that kind of things like the sofa that you can see in the picture. And some examples of intangible products could be social media, hardware, software, and so on. The main objective of these kinds of engineers is to improve and innovate everything that surrounds a human being. Why would I like to study this career? Um, since I can remember, I always loved art, to paint, to create. I have my room full of paintings that, well, I'm not that good, but yeah, I really like art in general. And the thing is that on school and on high school, I discovered that I really like science. So when I was thinking about what would I like to study, I realized that I would like something that combines both of these areas, art and science, and also something that will give me a chance to create based on the knowledge that I have. So I came up with design. When I was investigating about the career, I found a quote about Robin Matthew that says, "Design is where science and art match." And since that moment, I found out that design have to be one of my main options, like 100%. So yeah, that is the reason why I want to study it. It is going to give me the opportunity to create um, based on what I know. Now, let's talk about good and bad stuff about it. Let's start with the positive. So, some advantages of industrial design engineer is that, first of all, it has two emphasis. I could focus on developing the product. For example, as I just said before, designing sofas, computer, and all that kind of things. Or also, I could focus on visual communication, that is, focusing on developing software and hardware and so on. Um, it is also a job of the future, and because, well, it is an engineer and it is very technological. So, the companies in the world in the future are really going to need um, this kind of engineers. Well, my favorite, of course, is that it combines art and science. Now, the not so positive things, the disadvantages, is that, well, I don't like to work in group, so that is a disadvantage for me. It could be positive, but I don't like it. Another bad thing is that creativity is always required. If you are one day feeling sad and or inspired and like you don't have any good ideas, well, you still need to create. So that is another bad thing. And this career requires a lot of work under pressure. Where am I planning to study? I am planning to study on the Tecnológico of Costa Rica that give this option to study. A funny fact is that my sister studies there and the exact same career, so I know a lot about the opportunities that the institution gives and how prepared the students get. So I really trust this university to prepare me on the career, so I hope to get in. The courses that I will take, I'm going to take a lot about designing products, for example, product analysis and digital design tools, and also about visual communication as software, for example, visual communication design and hardware or software modeling with object orientations. The chair that you can see on the corner is one of the projects my sister did, I think that on her second year. So we still use it. It is a project that I would really like to do. And last, where could I work? Very important. I could work basically in every company that needs designed in any way. For example, a company that develops software. I could also work on designing furniture on my own, even jewelry. And believe it or not, I could even work at designing stages for concerts. So it is basically about discovering what I want to do and what I'm good at, and I could make it work in any way. And that's it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you liked it.